thought that was being appealed. Let me see.
With a phone and a heart filled with frustration,
Yes.
Marty Moore is fed up.
And you can be guaranteed that our volunteers, our staff, and our larger community will do everything possible to ensure this is not passed in the state of Colorado.
Moore is the executive director of Out Boulder County, a LGBTQ nonprofit speaking against ballot initiative 142. Late last week, the Colorado Supreme Court approved the measure to begin collecting signatures to potentially be on the November ballot.
It's so exciting because it gives the voters the opportunity to decide if parents should be informed on what is happening with their child.
Lori Gimmelstein, the executive director of the Colorado Parent Advocacy Network, helped write the ballot initiative. The measure would require a public school representative to notify a student's parents if they are experiencing gender incongruence. That's when a person identifies as something other than what was assigned at birth. Opponents believe it could potentially out transgender students to their parents.
Do people not have anything other than to interfere in the lives of someone who is different from them? This is specifically an anti-LGBTQ initiative. The folks behind it have been clear.
We believe that this measure is so supportive of our kiddos that do identify as LGBT. We very strongly believe that parents are the ones that know best and help them.
Gimmelstein has until August to collect about 125,000 signatures to get the measure on the ballot.
I feel very strongly that we will get there.
Marty has about 100 days to prove otherwise.
We've had big wins. I don't think Colorado will be any different.
Gimmelstein says she hopes to start collecting signatures on this measure by the end of this week. She says every local school district will have the ability to write a policy around how this measure will be implemented if it does get on the ballot and pass. Reporting in the studio, Jaleesa Rosari, 9 News.
It's one of those that if you don't pay attention now, by the time you get your ballot, you're going to be questioning everything about it and trying to catch up.
Yeah, and there's expected to be a lot of questions and statements on this ballot, so get ready. We're expecting quite a few this year.
And the language as to how they're always written, another big thing.
Incredibly important.
All right, thank you, Jaleesa.